Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2022 Jeep Wagoneer and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the taillights. It's just your regular factory taillight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. Well, with that being said, let's start with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to prep the tail lights. So all you need to do is apply Slip Solution onto the lens, and with the clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the tail light may have. And then once you finish prepping the tail lights, we can start with the installation. So we're going to start off with this section of the tail light first. So with this one, just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all you need to do is align the tint to the edge of the tail light here first. So once you have it aligned, make sure to secure it. So apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film, and then squeegee to tack it down and secure it around this section of the curve. So hold it in position and tack it down. And with this one, we're going to squeegee up to around this section. That way the rest of the film, we could stretch it and the film will stay tacked down around this curved area. So just secure all of this first. Lift the film carefully to remove this finger and then apply it back down. Now that this section is all secured, we can stretch the film. So we're only stretching the film so that this edge reaches this edge of the tail light. So lift the film carefully, apply Slip Solution underneath and on top of the film. Place your hand here and stretch the film going that way. And make sure to hold it in position. And as you can see now, the film has been stretched and all we need to do is secure it now. So hold it in place, start applying Tack Solution, and grab your squeegee and start tagging it down to secure it. And make sure that the tint is covering the top section first. So keep it aligned as you stretch. So like this, and now tack it down. So make sure to remove any solution that's trapped underneath this small curve here. So remove all the solution. And now that the film is secured, we can work around this piece here. So all we need to do is just apply a little bit of heat and Tack Solution, and slowly, little by little, work our way to tacking down the film around the curve. So Tack Solution and then heat, and then tacking it down. And you just rinse and repeat this step until you're able to tack down the film around the curve. And then also make sure this top section here is sealed. So apply heat and Tack Solution to seal the top edge as well. Okay, and now we can move on with this piece. Okay, so now we're moving on to this piece here. So same method, align it here first, tag it down, and just a small stretch to align it here. So in order to stretch it, apply Slip Solution, and just make sure you align it and secure it with Tack Solution around this area. So grab your Tack Solution and start tagging down the film. Make sure to keep it aligned, start securing it to the tail light. And then all you need to do is just help the film tack down. And as you tack it down, it should do a small stretch to tack down here. So just like that. And then just finish off the film. Make sure to remove any solution that's trapped behind the film here. And just make sure you remove all the bubbles underneath the film. And just apply heat on top on this section here. That way the film stays tacked down to the tail light. And then once you're done, the last step would be pulsating the entire panel. So once you finish with the installation, the last thing to do is pulse seat the entire panel. So all you need to do is apply Tack Solution, and we're going to use our heat gun to apply heat all over the film to help it tack down on the edges and anywhere where the film is still lifting. And then once you're done applying heat all over the film, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the Taillight Tints for the 2022 Jeep Wagoneer. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.